Let me explain you 5 simple steps by which you can improve your credit score. Your credit score is an indicator of your credit worthiness, means you are worthy of giving credit or not. Higher credit worthiness means you can be trusted to give loan, means you'll pay back in full, you'll not run away with the money. In different countries, it is known by different name like CIBIL Score in India, FICO Score in US, because these are the companies which made it popular there. But why should you try to improve your credit score? How does it help? The benefits are that it helps you to get loan easily. If your credit worthiness is low, you struggle to get personal loan, home loan, all those things. Also, you can get a better credit card if at all you are already having credit card. Third, it helps you to reduce rate of interest. If you are getting a credit card, if you are getting a personal loan, and if your credit worthiness is low, you are usually given at a higher rate. So if you are having better score, it helps you to get the same thing at a lower rate of interest. So if these are the benefits, how you can really improve your credit score? What you can do, you start using a credit card. Why I am suggesting that? Because when you are using a credit card, it builds a trail. Your payment and delinquency gets recorded. How you have behaved in January 15, in February 15, in January 16, all those, it's getting recorded. And how does it help? It builds a trail, and if you are a non-delinquent profile, you have a record. What you need to understand, the way a rocket goes, it leaves a trail of smoke. Similarly, if you are using a credit card and you are non-delinquent, you have a proof. You have a trail that you have been okay. You know how to take credit, and you also know how to make payment. You know how to set a reminder and make payment in time. And that's why you have been non-delinquent. What you need to understand, a known profile is better than unknown. And that's why if you have a history, if you have a proof that you have taken loan and you have paid without becoming delinquent, you are trusted much more. And that's how your score improves. Point number 2, never miss a payment. Always pay on time. Pay your EMI, pay your credit card bill, everything before due date. How does it help? It helps because your delinquency profile becomes absolutely clean. You are always zero, means non-delinquent all the time. And that's how your score improves. Third point, don't keep too many credit cards. What you need to understand, when you have too many credit cards, it makes your profile suspicious. I won't recommend you to keep more than 3 to 4 credit cards. Think of, if you have too many credit cards, you can make purchase on all the credit card and a big purchase, and you can run away if at all, especially if you are living in a different country. And that's why if you are having too many credit cards, your financial institution becomes little suspicious about you. Do you have bad intention? Why you have taken too many credit cards? Are you a person who doesn't have means of earning and just trying to survive on credit card? That's why you should not keep too many credit cards. Don't shop for loan unnecessarily. At times, you just inquire about the loan and don't go for that. What you need to understand, every time you require a loan or you make request for a loan, banks make an inquiry to the bureau. And bureau keeps that record for around 2 years usually. That's how it gets recorded. And if you are having too many inquiries in a very short span of time, makes your profile very suspicious. It gives two indications. Is it the case that you are in a bad financial shape, so you are just trying to shop for loans somehow and to survive for some time? Or do you have bad intention? Are you just trying to take too many credit card, too many loan and run away? And that's why you should not shop for loan unnecessarily. You should go for only when you have intention to take it. Find out about the detail, but don't give the full paper so that it gets into the process. Keep your utilization low on credit card. What is utilization? Utilization is balance by credit limit, and usually balance is recorded around the month end. So if your credit limit is 100,000 and if your balance is 30,000, your utilization is 30%. Higher utilization means lower credit score. Why? Because banks tend to think that you are a person who is just trying to survive on credit card. So I'll recommend not to keep utilization more than 30%, which means if your credit limit is 100,000, try not to spend in a cycle more than 30,000. And if you need to spend more, talk to your bank, talk to your credit card firm to increase credit limit. If for any reason they are not giving credit card increase immediately, try to make multiple payment in a cycle. How does it help? Let's say if you have made purchase of 50,000 and if you pay back 40,000 in the month, your balance is actually 10,000. So if you're making multiple payment, even though credit limit is not increasing, your utilization will go down and that will improve your score. Some point you need to understand, your today's action impacts your future score. So don't think that what you are doing today will make impact today only. No, your today's action will make impact on future score. Your today's score is an impact of your past behavior. And if you're doing good, keep doing it for around 2 years before it starts making an impact. Don't think just because you have made payment for last 3 months, it means your score has improved. Not really. Also, one of the common mistake that sometimes people do, that the moment they pay back any loan, they go to the bureau and ask them to delete the record. That's not. You should not do that. What you need to understand, whichever loan you have paid back builds a good credit history. It means you have taken loan and you have paid back in full. When you get it deleted, your good credit history gets deleted and that reduces your score. Usually, most of the countries allow you to get a copy of your credit score, credit report once in a year for free. You should get a copy of your credit score, credit report and keep a tab of any erroneous entry. If there is any loan that it is showing which you have not taken, any fraud it is indicating which you have not taken, get it corrected. Otherwise, your score is getting affected unnecessarily. Also keep your borrowing to minimum. At times, just because you want to earn some interest on saving and you take loan so that you can pay back, on 28th day, 29th day, what happens? Your borrowing actually becomes a little higher and that's why you actually become a little risky profile, and that's why many times the banks charge you a little higher on the interest side. So what you are saving from the saving account goes back in payment of the loan. So I will suggest not to take loan unnecessarily. If you need loan, take it, but if you are not taking, just do not take it because you want to make some money on the saving account. Thank you so much for watching. I will suggest you to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know.